This morning, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu set off from Magere heading to Nakawa, where he was scheduled to hold a rally to solicit votes. However, upon reaching the Ntinda junction on his way to Nakawa, he encountered difficulties as security officers attempted to restrict the movement of people working with him. Some supporters managed to proceed, and later Kyagulanyi was allowed to continue to the rally. He faced further challenges when supporters were temporarily prevented from approaching him. Kyagulanyi exited his vehicle to meet them, but security forces responded with tear gas. In a surprising turn, some police officers were seen retreating from the clouds of tear gas, along with a crowd. Afterwards, Kyagulanyi continued to Mbuya, where the rally was held. Here, Engineer Waiswa Mufumbiro, the Member of Parliament for Nakawa East, addressed the crowd highlighting his achievements and explaining why residents should vote for Kyagulanyi as president. He also spoke about Waiswa Mufumbiro and the circumstances of his detention, noting that his wife is unwell. He urged residents to support Mufumbiro in the parliamentary elections. NUP spokesperson and leader of the opposition, Mr. Joel Senyonyi, thanked Waiswa for his work in Nakawa East and informed residents of Waiswa's upcoming candidacy for Lord Mayor of Kampala. Speaking to the crowds, Kyagulanyi greeted his supporters in multiple languages, condemned the actions of the security forces, and thanked the people for their resilience.
NUP everywhere. Onakulwalero nga bwe mbadde mutugoberera ku mikutu mwandibadde mundaba ne kakyaligo kange akalango ke bayita Dani Magic. Ne Dani Magic siri naye onakulwalero kubanga batulumbaganye ne batukuma emiggo mizibu nnyo nga babikola ebyoge maje ga Uganda gali mu uniform ya Uganda ngeriko ne fulaga ya Uganda. Nze kyantasiza kubanga nabadde nyambalidde bino ne muganda wange Dani Magic ne bamutuusako obuvune era ali mu ddwaliro. Njagala obbasaba mwongere okusabira Dani Magic naye okusinga mwongere okusabira eggwanga lyaffe lyonna buli omu afune omutima ng'ogwa Dani Magic. Buli omu afune omutima nga gwe azze wano gw'olina.
He emphasized that the choices voters make in the upcoming elections will be crucial for transforming the country. He encouraged support for Waiswa Mufumbiro and Doreen Kaija.
Onakulwalero Doreen Kaija ali mu komera. Onakulwalero Waiswa Mufumbiro ali mu komera nga basibwa awatali musango gwonna.
Kyagulanyi underscored the importance of unity in the face of current challenges and urged residents to elect leaders who will listen and serve their interests. He then proceeded to Ntinda in Nakawa West to continue his campaign with Joel Senyonyi.
Yonna gyonna gye mubadde batambulira tubadde tusindika ekigambo kimu unity, ekigambo kimu kubeera wamu, ekigambo kimu nti ffenna tuli baluganda. Eky'omukisa omulungi ffe embeera gye tuyitamu n'ennaku etuluma etugase ng'abantu bannange mubeere wamu, bannange mwegatte, temukkiriza muntu yenna basosola mu mawanga. Uganda yafuna independence lwa mawanga gonna kwegatta. Ate mmwe abantu b'e Nakawa mwongedde kitulaga mubaddewo emyaka mingi mu mawanga ag'enjawulo, madini ag'enjawulo nga muli wamu. Tusaba musitikinge together mubeere wamu. Uganda empya esoboka. Uganda empya tugenda gituukamu. Mugenda kubeera ne president nga wakabi, nga wa myaka gyammwe, nga abawuliriza.
Kyagulanyi's Nakawa campaign highlights the resilience of both the candidate and his supporters in the face of security disruptions. His appeal for unity, peaceful participation, and active involvement in the upcoming voting exercise underscores the importance of civic engagement as NUP mobilizes for the 2026 general elections.